Can remove the screws are here. Yeah, it's already came out. Now you can see, dear friends. Now this is the off position. If I'm taking off position here, it should turn actually. Only this way is turning. You can see here, but it's not turning any other way. That switch already internally broken actually. I'm not going to repair this one. I will replace now. I will show you this one. If I'm taking off position here it will come first up heater, after that down heater. It's coming like that. You can see here it is off position, up, here down, also here up and down. This is off position. We can fix like that. Also I will remove and I'm going to fix this one here. Now it's already I fix. Now I'm going to remove this one also connectors. You can see, dear friends, that's mean here up and down separately they given thermal switch. This thermal switch already broken. Because of that, now I'm going to remove this one. Also I removed that one also. I will show you again what happened to this thermal switch. It is already broken. That means it's defect already. While we are removing, it's not getting off. You can see here it should actually cut off. It's not at the moment it's not working. Because of that, I'm going to replace that one also. I will show you the new one. While we are rotating by hand, even it should, you can see here it's working properly. Now this is the position actually should come here. This is off position. After turning only it should come connector power. Now I'm going to fix this one also here. This way we have to fix here. Now, dear friends, I already fixed that one also. I will check again. Now this is off position. Now we can select as per our requirement temperature up to 250 Celsius degree temperature. You can see here. Now you can hear the noise. Is on off switch working properly. Now we have to give the connections. That's mean this one also working. Up, no need to replace. Now whatever we have to give the connection, power connections. After that we can check also. Now I will give here as same before. But I'm thinking I have to change this wires harness actually is. Now I'm going to give the connections here. Selector switch for the grill motor and fan. Now this is the common one. This is common connector. Now you can see, I will show you. This one here, no any connections here. This two, no connection. Now I'm selecting here only the fan. At the moment it is off position. Now I'm selecting only the fan here. You can see, dear friends, again I will off. You can see I already off. Now I'm select only the fan. That's mean this connection, that's mean this power, it should come to here. This one, yeah, it will come like that. Before that I will give the connection, main connection here. Timer, to the timer it should. Now already live wire is came to here. Now I'm giving connection for this. Here. After that I'm giving connection for the selector switch. It will come like that. Now it's okay. Now again I'm giving to connection here. We have to give connection for the selector switch. This one, it should come actually here also parallel, because here this one we have to select up fan, up heater, down heater, and together up and down. Because of that I have to give the parallel connection, and I'm using this wire. I'm giving here like that. After that this connection I can give here. Also this one should come here. Now it's okay. Now I'm selecting only the up heater. Now I will show you. That's mean with this, you can see here, that's mean this connector, this connection, it should come to up heater, this thermal switch. Now I will give the connection here. And I'm using this cable, and I have to give connection here. That's mean it should come to here. This one little bit damaged, actually I will remove. Yes, it should be actually good tight side actually. Now it's okay, it's come like that. Now you can see. Now I'm going to select only the down. I will show you which connection it should come. Yes, this is the down, only the down connection here. Now I have to give this one and this one here. I'm going to use this one here. Also this one here. Now from here to, it should come down. That's been down heater. Also I have to give one connection. Now I'm giving connection here. That one I have to. Now it's okay. Now I have to give connection here, up, sorry, down heater connection. Now it's okay. Now my all the connections are okay. Now dear friends, my all the connections are okay, and I given already wiring connection and replace whatever defect things. Now we will check here before fixing. We have to check properly. Now I already replaced all the things. That's mean selector switch. Also it is look like very ugly, because of that I replaced the whole 5 knobs also. Now I'm going to check if it is working or not. It should work actually. Now it is my job already completed. Now before finishing my job, before fixing the cover, everything we will check one time. After that my job will be complete. Dear friends, I already given power connection. Now I'm going to select one by one. Now I can check my wiring connections are okay or not. Now first I'm selecting here this one, wheel motor and this fan. Now I'm selecting only the fan here. You can see, dear friends, it is only the fan working. Now I'm going to select only the griller. You can see, dear, here. Now fan not working, only the grill motor working. You can see. You can see only the grill motor working, fan motor not working. Now I am selecting together. Now you can see fan motor and grill motor together working. That means it is complete. Now I am going to select only the up heater. Only the up heater now I am going to select. Now I will off the fan and griller. Now dear friends, you can see I opened the door. Yeah, it is both sides, both heaters are working now. It is already completed my job. Now I have to fix the cover only. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.